Hello. How's everyone doing?
Hello, we're back.
In our kind of weekly podcast.
Yep. Well, yeah, our podcast. We're trying to do it weekly, but
Yeah.
yeah, and this is gonna be a quick one today. Just some interesting topic, I guess, or something that's good to know. It's about insurance. So insurance when you purchase a condo. So a lot of people don't necessarily think about this because condos have insurance on them already, or the buildings have insurance. But as an owner, you definitely want to get your own insurance. And this came up yesterday because one of our team members had a client call them, kind of panicking because there was water basically underneath their wood floor. It was like coming up, like they're walking on it and it's coming up from underneath the floor. And they just moved in like a month ago. So the first thing that came up in the call was they don't have insurance. So we're like, wait, that's that's a problem. It could be a problem because if that water that's in the unit is your own doing, or say I don't know, dishwasher is leaking, something like that, but something that's within the unit and not a building problem, it's going to be the owner's problem. And not only that, if you've got water leaking in a condo, it's under the floorboards. That means almost 100% for sure it's also leaking into the unit below it, damaging the ceiling and all of that kind of stuff. So anyway, I mean, we told that or the agent told her, obviously, to call the emergency line with the strata or the building property manager and everything. But it turns out, on a good note, it had to do with the heat pump or AC.
Yeah.
Well, it's not a good thing. It's a brand new building. That shouldn't be happening. But it is a building issue, not the owner's issue. So it shouldn't require her insurance. But she dodged a bullet because if that was a problem with her unit, not only would she be paying for her restoration and also any other units affected, right? So it's just a reminder. You always should get insurance. Like anything, it's like driving a car. Like, 99.9% of the time, you don't use your insurance because you don't want to have to use your insurance because that means something bad happened. But when something bad happens,
You won't be covered.
if you're not covered, all that you might have saved by not having insurance for all those years will be gone times 10 or times 100 or whatever.
Exactly.
So that's all. It's just
Yeah, we always remind our clients every time there's a closing. We send them email reminders. We text them, "Hey, do you have your insurance, in place already?" You'd be surprised. There was another client that I remember it was possession day. We got the keys, and I was like, "Did you get your insurance?" And I was like, and he was like, "No, I don't think we need it." And I'm like, "You do."
yeah.
So yeah, just a reminder.
Yep.
So
You don't need it until you need it.
exactly.
So yeah.
Yeah.
So that's all.
And I think some stratas actually will require you. Like I've seen some.
Yeah, I think you might be right.
Yeah.
It never used to be like that. So I may have seen some. I don't know if they actually. Well, actually, I think you're right. I think some might, but for the most part, they don't require it. But the problem is, anything that's happens that you're at all at fault for, they will be coming after you. And even if the strata insurance covers it, which it will, if something happens in the building and there's damage to other units, the strata's insurance is going to deal with it, but then they're going to come after the person at fault.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, if we can get into depth about insurance, strata deductibles, but we can just talk about that.
You can message us,
outside
talk
of
to
the
us.
video, so.
Yeah, that'll be boring. So
Yeah, it will be.
we're trying to make these a little bit shorter because
Yeah, exactly.
no one wants to listen to us talk forever about insurance.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
So yeah, if you wanna talk more, reach out to us. Otherwise, please like the video and subscribe and share it with your friends and
Yep, with anybody.
With anybody.
The more the better.
The more the better. Perfect.
All right,
Okay.
that's it for today, or
Yeah.
for this video anyway.
Yeah. So thanks for listening. Thanks for watching, and we'll
Yep.
see you in the next one.
See you later. Bye.